Hello and welcome back to our channel, Seniors at Sea, here to show you yet another wonderful cabin with Celebrity Cruises. We are currently on the Celebrity Eclipse for the next 4 days, and this is the cabin that we earned through casino deals. So I just wanted to share it with you real quick, and we're just going to kind of start over on this side and just kind of show you that it's got all the information about your muster station, your life jackets, your magnet to tell people that you're in a deep sleep, so leave you alone. And also you have a couple of these guys here to hang some things on. We like to hang our lanyards there, so when we're leaving the house, since we don't have a car or a house anymore, we use that as kind of like our key holder to our home, our temporary home. So let's walk through. First of all, I wanted to point out the art is spectacular on the wall. It makes you feel like you're in a cozy, warm spot. And then you've got your lights here. Here's your master switch. And then we found out, because the lights were very low, which we kind of liked, but in order to do this, we brightened it up a little bit. And then of course that is the light to overlook your beautiful pictures. So now we're going to start in the bathroom here. I love this bathroom. Look at this. Go ahead, take a look. This is pretty large. I love it. So let me show you. In here, you've got a nice glass shower door. That's nice. It looks like Celebrity has its own body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. You've got your shave bar here at the bottom. You've got your handle bar here, which is handy for some of us, believe me. And then extra areas where you can put your own toiletries if you like. And then you've got the shower head here. I don't think the shower head comes off, no. So that's new for a cruise ship. And then you've got a couple of areas where you can hang like maybe your bathing suits if you wanted them to dry. Then you have your beautiful big vanity. This right here was kind of unique. It plugs up the sink for you. You've got your plug here for you guys that need to do your shaving in the morning. They have a shower cap here, which can also double as a food cover over your plate if you want to carry food back to the room. You got your wash rags, your wash soap, your Kleenex. This here is a little hidden door where they keep the toilet cleaner because they clean your room every day. Your toilet paper. You do have a couple of little drawers here. You also have your little disposable trash can. They empty out every day for you. Extra toilet paper, and I noticed extra toilet paper and Kleenex down here, and some sanitary bags if you ladies might need that. You've got a blow dryer here. You've got 2 or 3 cups to drink out of. We like to get ice delivered to our room every night. Now, I never really mentioned this, but they have a Save the Waves kind of program. So they ask that if you're not going to use the towel again, put it on the floor. They'll pick it up and give you new towels. If you think you're going to use the towel again, leave it on the rack, and they know that you are wanting to help save the waves. So they won't replace them for you. And so if you're at home, you usually can use your towels a couple of times. You can do it here too, even when you're on vacation. So now we're going to go back out here, and I'd like to show you the AC. Of course, it's pretty typical. The AC thermostat, crank that baby up the second you get in the room, whether you like it hot or cold. You've got a full-length mirror here, so us ladies who like to see the whole package before we go out, here you go. And then you've got your closet here. Now, I love this huge walkway. I mean, a huge opening here. It's very nice when you come in. We were able to set our luggage over there immediately, get it out of the way, and then we have our closet space here. So it's just enough to make us have everything that we need. Now, since I do not see the life-saving jackets in here, they must be under the bed. So always remember, if you do not see your life jackets, look under the bed. If you do not have enough life jackets in your room, go ahead and get with your steward and make sure that you have those. Of course, we're going to talk about this. Oh, yep, it says right here under the bed, there's a little placard that says that. Now, above the bed here, you've got plenty of storage on both sides, same size storage, lighting. You got your little nightstand here with your phone, but no USB cords or plugs where we can keep the phone by our bed. So that kind of tells you that part's not up to date. However, most of the ships aren't, just the newer ships. Now we'll talk about, we got a king size bed here, and it doesn't look king size, but I think it is. Worst case scenario, it's queen. Beautiful artwork once again, little nightstand. Now I like the cozy chair here. It's not a couch, but we don't use the couch a lot. We usually lay clothes on there nice and neat for the night or something like that. You have a little table here, which is nice. So if you're going to eat, or you're going to sit on your computer or read a book or whatever you're going to do, you can do that here. Now they do have some magazine racks over here, which I noticed they had information about the spa, room service, and of course the famous Effie jewelry. So that's a big deal on these cruise ships, is the Effie jewelry. Now over here in the dresser area, you've got plenty of drawers here. They are almost pretty much self-closing, so I like that. Like it. So here you have your safe, which is always nice to have. We always keep our main things like our passports and any cash we have for tips, that kind of thing. We keep that in there when we're not, because we don't need it on the ship. We use our sea pass for that. And then the refrigerator, I like it because the door's attached here, so you always get it closed. But yes, that's very nice. That's all nice and ready for us. You've got your vanity ladies, and this is nice to have. I showed you the blow dryer in the room, but I'm not sure if that was left behind. Oh, actually, it might be from their ship. I don't know. But if so, we'll leave that behind. We have our own. But it's nice to have if you're going to go out into a rainy area. Now, I want to talk about the plugs. I always talk about this only because it's so important to us. This plug here is called a universal travel plug. We always keep it with us. And I'm going to tell you why. You probably say, well, why don't you just use your USB-C block? But let me tell you, if I put a block here, I have for Rick and for myself, then we have no way to use a curling iron, a hot iron, use a shaver, or use our fan. There's just it would just limit us. So what we do is we have our universal plug, and I'll show you here. This is for the Europe, UK, or USA. So what I have done is I have located the Europe plug here, and I have pulled that out. I plug it in here very easily, and then I can still plug my curling iron in. I can plug in my fan, which we'll talk about that fan in a minute because it's a lifesaver. I've got my phone charging now, and then anything else that I want to plug in. And I still have these two available. You might have a radio. You might have some other things you want to plug in here. So there's just a plethora of things that you can plug in here that saves you from not having the plugs you need.
So what else can you plug into that block?
This block?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So for you people that have the newest phones, you know that we are equipped with, you have to be equipped with C drives now instead of A drives. So here's your USB-A, and here's your USB-Cs. So you have 1, 2, 3 USB-Cs, and then you have 2 USB-As. So you have plenty of outlets for those as well. Still don't like it that it's not by my bedside, but hey, at least I can put it all here at night. Now let's talk about this fan. This fan is a lifesaver for many reasons. And by the way, the link for the fan and for this travel adapter is in our descriptions. So please click it. See if it's something for you. If not, no big deal. If so, we do get an affiliate commission on that. So it helps us grow our channel and helps us maintain it. So let's talk about this fan. This is the best fan. It's called the Prime Valve, and I'll tell you why I love it. It has 3 different three different fan levels.
Speed settings.
Yes, speed settings. And then this one's like just a nice airflow, I guess. And then you can also adjust it to where it will turn for you. So let's say that you don't want it to sit still, you want it to turn. It will turn around the room as well.
Oscillate.
Yeah, oscillate. That's why it's called an oscillating fan. So now that is not even the best of it. What I love about it, I'm going to stop it from turning while I'm doing this. I love it because I can put it on the floor level. Let me unplug it here. It stays charged for about 2 days, maybe even more. I've tested a few times on it, and I've had it up to 3 days. So right here, I can set it here if I'm putting my makeup on. I can set it here if I just have to have it right on top of me for that day. It can adjust any way you want it to. It can go up, it can go down. But another thing it does, let's say the bed's at an angle. Okay, and maybe Rick wants it more than me, or maybe we just want it right on top of us. You can actually adjust it to where it's right on top of you. So you can lower it down, give it more stability, and you can lower it right there on you. So this thing is definitely a lifesaver. Ladies, if you're in pre or perimenopause, woo, this is a lifesaver because I'm always using this on my little handy dandy fan. I take it everywhere with
Show
me.
them how small that thing compacts too. When you
Oh
store it.
yeah, that's awesome too. So let me put this down. You put it down like this. You put it like this. Bam. It does have a remote too, by the way. We don't really use the remote
This
much.
is it.
Yep, that's it.
We store that in the suitcase.
Yes, and we do take it with us, and it charges by the USB. It is a USB-A. There are some out there that have the USB-Cs if you prefer, but this thing, it's got a nice little platform here, so it stays promptly, or stays very well on this this platform here. So I cannot say enough about the fan. We take it everywhere with us. Now, we're going to be on here for 4 days, like I said earlier, and we're going to enjoy this ship. We have not been on it before. We're on deck 9, room 9320, and this is what the room looks like, and we're going to enjoy it. If you have any questions, please don't forget, subscribe. It's free. And set your notifications to where every time we have a video, it'll pop up for you and show you our newest and latest items. Also, make sure that you make comments and ask questions. We want to help you. We also share these things to educate and help people, not to just do it for ourselves. So we would love any ideas you may have as well. And so until we meet again,